Our topic of the video is to mention the way you are using your computer. 10 ways you're using your computer wrong. 1. Poor posture and ergonomics. Sitting in an uncomfortable position or using incorrect ergonomics while using a computer can lead to physical discomfort and long-term health issues. Maintain proper posture, use an ergonomic chair, and position your keyboard, mouse, and monitor correctly. 2. Keeping a cluttered desktop. Having a cluttered desktop with numerous files, folders, and shortcuts can make it challenging to find what you need quickly. Organize your desktop by creating folders and keeping only essential items visible. 3. Neglecting to clean the hardware. Dust and debris can accumulate on computer hardware over time, causing overheating and performance issues. Regularly clean your computer, including the keyboard, mouse, and vents, to maintain optimal performance. 4. Running too many unnecessary programs. Having multiple programs running simultaneously can strain your computer's resources and slow down its performance. Close unnecessary programs and background processes to free up system resources. 5. Not utilizing keyboard shortcuts. Failing to take advantage of keyboard shortcuts can slow down your productivity. Learn and utilize common keyboard shortcuts for tasks you frequently perform to save time and effort. 6. Ignoring browser extensions and plugins. Having too many unnecessary browser extensions and plugins installed can slow down your browsing experience and expose your system to potential security risks. Review and disable or uninstall any extensions or plugins you don't need. 7. Not using cloud storage or external storage devices. Relying solely on your computer's internal storage without utilizing cloud storage or external storage devices can limit your storage capacity and increase the risk of data loss. Explore cloud storage options or invest in external drives to expand your storage and back up important files. 8. Poor file organization. Saving files in random locations or not using proper file naming conventions can make it difficult to find specific documents later on. Develop a systematic file organization strategy that suits your needs and stick to it. 9. Not closing unnecessary browser tabs. Having too many open tabs in your web browser can consume significant system resources and slow down your computer. Close unused tabs or use bookmarking to save important pages for later. 10. Not customizing settings for personal preferences. Many computer applications and operating systems allow customization of settings to tailor the user experience. Failing to adjust settings according to your preferences can lead to frustration or suboptimal usage.